Most people think that you need a fancy degree or 5 years of experience to start working from home. They are wrong. Today I'm going to be breaking down 3 platforms that are literally waiting for beginners like you to sign up. By the end of this video, you have a step-by-step roadmap of landing your first paycheck online. So let's get straight into it. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Tepiwash Temere from Creative Cash Lab, where we learn, create, hustle and earn. Currently I'm working on 4 remote jobs, so I'm going to be talking and also explaining about other remote online jobs that are beginner friendly that you can start with. If you don't have any experience, you can still apply on these platforms and get hired. So let's get straight into it. So the first platform that I'm going to be talking about is perfect for anyone who has been told that they have got a good voice or loves reading, or if you know by yourself that you have got a good voice or you love reading, this one is definitely for you. It is called ACX. ACX, it is a platform where authors go to find narrators for their audiobooks. These books end up on Audible and Amazon. That's where they normally sell. So as a beginner, you don't need a professional studio. You just need a quiet space, a decent mic, and the ability to read clearly. How to start on ACX? How to start? First, we have to create a narrator profile. After creating the narrator profile, you upload a few samples of you reading different stories like mystery, romance, and self-help. After that, we have to search for royalty share projects. These are the easiest for beginner to land because you split the profits with the author. And the tip that I'm going to be giving you on this one is, when you are auditioning for this, don't audition for 10-hour books first. Look for short 20 minutes or 10 minute stories so that you can be able to build your ratings. That is one of the most important things you must think of when applying on ACX. So now let's go on the platform so that I show you what I'm talking about and how you can register. After writing ACX sign up, this is the website page for ACX sign up, which shows this X. So I'm going to press here, and then it's going to say register for ACX. If you are new, you have to register here. You put your first name, your surname, your email address, location, address, seat, zip code, everything. After that, the most important thing that I wanted to show you is down below here where it's written account row. Choose the row that describes you or your company. Since we don't have a company and we are looking for work, let's go to narrator. Narrator, you are looking for audiobooks to narrate. That's why I was saying, when you know that you've got a good voice or you can read books nicely, that's where you are going here, narrator. And then you finish completing the profile and you submit. You press register after you have done. That's what you are doing. If you are an author, you go here, you have audiobooks that you want to create and distribute audiobooks. If you know you are good at writing books or you already have your books, you can go here where it is written author. Publisher, if you're a publisher. Studio, you are looking for audiobooks to edit and master. You can, if you know how to edit books, you can go there. And then there is agent. You want to create and distribute audiobooks for clients. So, but if you're a beginner who's just looking for some work online, let's just go by narrator. And now we are going to job number 2, which is cherry assistant or the virtual profession. This one, it is best for people who are organized, great for chatting, and want a steady job or a steady role. Cherry assistant is a specialized agent that connects virtual assistants with businesses. For beginners on cherry assistant, they usually Look for individuals to handle emails, social media, and customer support. Why it is great for beginners, they especially source talent from everywhere around the world, so you have the chance to apply and get noticed. How do you start applying on Cherry Assistant? First, we have to go on their website and look for the careers, and then you join as an assistant. After you have joined as an assistant, you have to focus on your application for your soft skills, being reliable, good at communication, and tech savvy. So the pro tip that I'm going to be giving you when you want to apply for this job is to mention any experience you have in admin or even just managing a busy schedule. They value reliability over years of experience every single time. So the pro tip is just put your experience. If you have experience in managing even a busy schedule, that is not even at work, just put that experience. And then now let me go with you to the website so that I can show you how you go around when you are applying for Cherry Assistant. Now on Google Chrome, I'm going to write Cherry Assistant jobs, and then I press go. And I'm going to see Cherry Assistant, Virtual Assistant jobs. So I'm going to press here, Virtual Assistant jobs. As you can see, now we're on the home page of Cherry Assistant, jobs for virtual assistants by Cherry Assistant. You are going to go browse live jobs, and then we start to scroll. Use title, search, country filters, and full-time or part-time filtering to find the best fit role faster. So this is where we are going to go and put all the information that we need. Or before you go here, you can scroll down, you will see many jobs lined up. Administrative assistant, remote service coordinator, podcast producer, copyright, events operations. There are so many jobs here. So you just choose, or if you don't see what you are looking for, you go back on the top and then you search by title. You search what you want. And then schedule, you press full-time, part-time, anything. Let's say I'm going to say full-time if I don't have anything I'm working on right now. Country or countries, that's better so that it won't limit you. Newest or oldest, we are going to newest. So this is how you apply when you want to apply for Cherry Assistant. When you want to apply on Cherry Assistant, sorry. Now we are going on the last one, which is Upwork. Upwork, this is the ultimate marketplace or the big league where you can do literally anything from data entry to graphic designing. What is it most about Upwork? It is one of the largest freelance marketplace. Don't get overwhelmed by thinking that for beginners you don't qualify. You qualify on Upwork to work as a data entry, chat moderation, or transcription. Now I'm going to tell you some tips that you can use so that you can stand out when applying on Upwork. On the title, don't just put like general freelancer when you're applying. Use detail-oriented data entry and support specialist. You can use those ones even for a beginner. After that, on your profile, use a profile smiling headshot with good lighting. What am I saying? Don't just take a random picture. Take a profile where you see that you are coming out nicely, smiling, because you'll be dealing with clients, so you have to shine on that profile. The strategy to win on Upwork: only apply to jobs that say entry level with a custom proposal. Never copy and paste. Tell them how you will solve their specific problems. The pro tip for Upwork is you have to do one small job for a very low price just to get that first 5-star review. Once you have a review, you can double your rates. The biggest mistake that beginners make is giving up after 2 days. These platforms work only if you work. So choose one that suits you most, apply, and please don't stop until you have sent out more than 10 applications. I will write Upwork on Google Chrome and then I search. Upwork, find, hire, thrive. So if you're a new user, we have to create an account. We go to create an account, join as a client or a freelancer. I'm a client. If you are a client, it means you are providing jobs, you are offering jobs. But as for us, we are a freelancer. So I'm a freelancer looking for work. Apply as a freelancer here, and then I'll put my first name, surname, email, password, country, and then I'll tick here where it says send me helpful emails to find rewarding work and job leads. Yes, I understand and agree to Upwork terms of service, including the user agreement and policy, and then I will write create my account. After this, I'll be creating my account. After I have finished creating my account, I will start to see so many jobs, and then I will apply for the job that I want, that I can see I will be able to do. Now tell me which one of these sounds like the best fit for you in the comment section. And for those who want more detailed information on how to apply for online jobs, just subscribe and hit the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you also be notified, as I'm going to be talking more about these online platform jobs. My name is Tapiwa. I will see you in the next one. So go and get that hustle started. Enjoy.